पूर्वी दिल्ली में स्थित द लीला एम्बियंस होटल में मिसेज इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्वीन 2021 ग्रैंड फिनाले शो का आयोजन हुआ। शो का आयोजन मिसेज अंकिता सरोहा के द्वारा आयोजित किया गया, जिनका उद्देश्य महिलाओं को बढ़ावा देना और उनको एक मंच प्रदान करना है जहां पर वह अपनी प्रतिभा को दिखा सके। 4 दिन तक चले इस शो में भारत के अलग अलग राज्यों से, कनाडा और यूनाइटेड किंगडम से आई 51 प्रतिभागियों ने भाग लिया। सभी 51 प्रतिभागियों ने रैंप पर वॉक करके अपनी प्रतिभा का खूब जलवा पेश किया। शो में सेलिब्रिटी जज के तौर पर उपस्थित हुए मिस्टर वर्ल्ड 2016 रह चुके रोहित खंडेलवाल और 2020 में मिस यूनिवर्स शो में 3rd रनर अप रही एडलिन कैसलिनो। वहीं दूसरी ओर बतौर जूरी इन दोनों का बखूबी साथ दिया शो की फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर अंकिता सरोहा ने। देखिए क्या कुछ कहा दोनों सेलिब्रिटी जज ने।
When they walked the ramp, they were so confident, they were so charismatic. So this was like definitely one of the best events that I've judged and very powerful. I think बहुत ही amazing team है। मैंने उनको बताया है कि वो कैसे काम करती है, I don't know, but उन्होंने बहुत ही patiently और बहुत ही कहते हैं ना कि बहुत perfectly किया उन्होंने। No stone unturned. Very nice. I think enthusiastic. The participants' energy were another level. उनकी energy, उनका passion वो दिख कर आ रहा था उनके walk पर।
पहले तो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू अंकिता जी for making, giving me this chance to be here, because it was so motivational to see all these women, because we don't understand how difficult it is to be a married woman and still bring yourself on that stage, open to people, to judge, to do things. So I feel that that's amazing, and I get to learn a lot of things from them, which I will never forget. So I think this event is definitely a life-changing thing for me, because I'm going to go back home and I'm going to make sure I don't have anything left. I think it's a great initiative that Ankita has taken, because it gives them a platform, not only them a platform to do something that they want, the families are watching it, it gives other women also the courage to come and show what they have within them and to spread a message through that. So I think that's
वही बात करें विजेता की तो मिसेस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्वीन 2021 शो के विजेता का खिताब अपने नाम किया गुरुग्राम की डॉक्टर ज्योत्सना चड्डा ने। तो वहीं दूसरी क्लासिक कैटेगरी में विजेता रही दिल्ली की शर्मिष्ठा दास दे। इन दोनों को अंकिता सरोहा के द्वारा 1-1 लाख की विनर राशि का चेक देकर सम्मानित किया गया। वहीं देखिए क्या कुछ कहा शो की ऑर्गेनाइजर अंकिता सरोहा ने और दोनों विजेताओं ने।
तो मिसेस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्वीन 2020 के विनर्स आज हमारे साथ हैं। वी हैव विनर फ्रॉम मिसेस कैटेगरी डॉक्टर ज्योत्सना चड्डा एंड ऑफ कोर्स मिसेस शर्मिष्ठा दास दे फ्रॉम क्लासिक मिसेस कैटेगरी। सो आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ देम एंड ये अब हमारी रनिंग क्वींस है फॉर द ईयर 2021 एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे विल बी चेंजिंग द सोसाइटी एंड वर्किंग फॉर द गुड ऑफ सोसाइटी विद द प्रीवियस क्वींस एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ देम। थैंक यू।
I want to thank Mrs. India International Queen 2021 platform and Mrs. Ankita Saroha मैम, जिन्होंने हमें ये मौका दिया कि हम यहाँ पर आकर अपना टैलेंट दिखा सके, अपनी एक्सपीरियंस को लिव कर सके। We could voice out our thoughts and express our talents. So आज मैं विनर हूँ मिसेस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्वीन 2021 की एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और बहुत अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ। थैंक यू।
Hi, I'm Sharmishta Das De, winner of Mrs. India International Queen 2021 Classic category. I would like to thank Mrs. India International Queen Team 2021 and Mrs. Ankita Saroha for giving me this opportunity to rediscover myself at the age of 42, at the crossroads of my life, and prove a point to myself again. Thank you.
इसी के साथ शो में कई प्रतिभागियों को सबटाइटल देकर भी नवाजा गया। जी हाँ, सभी प्रतिभागियों को उनकी अलग अलग प्रतिभा देखते हुए टाइटल दिए गए।
Hi, I'm Major Poonam Sharma, Army officer. I have won the title of second runner-up Mrs. India International Queen 2021. I have come to this show to rediscover myself as well as to challenge myself, and as I believe that stagnant water becomes mud, so I have come here for my growth. This platform, Mrs. India International Queen, is amazing as it gives opportunity to celebrate originality and individuality in a woman. Be strong, be confident, and be you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shipra Sharma. I work as an IT project manager. I have won the title of first runners-up in Mrs. India International. And the reason why I'm here is I strongly believe in the motto of be strong, be confident, be you. This platform has given me an opportunity to explore everything out of my comfort zone, be it walking on the ramp or even doing my first solo dance performance, and I simply loved it. The team has been really supportive. Ankita, Antara, and the whole team, they've been supportive throughout, and they've made this whole experience so enjoyable. I've made so many friends, and I have experienced what I'm never going to forget forever.
Dr. Sandhya Singh from City Beautiful Chandigarh. I won the title Mrs. India and Daring Queen. और Mrs. India International Queen is a great platform to explore your confidence. ये बहुत मुझे यहाँ के बहुत अच्छा लगा. I'm very happy. ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे लड़कियों को, हम जैसे लड़कियों को अपने आप को तराशने का मौका मिलता है. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nitika Jain. I have born and brought up in Delhi. I feel proud to be part of Mrs. India International Queen 2021. I have won the title of Mrs. India Fabulous here. I think due to some unknown fears, we used to hide ourselves behind our family, our kids, our society. So what if I'm married? So what if I'm having a kid? I'm still a diva for me, and I will be always. I would like to thank Mrs. Ankita Saroha for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you very much.
I feel it's never too late to redefine yourself. I'm Mrs. Bhavna Ganesha from the beautiful city of dreams, Mumbai, and I'm the finalist of Mrs. India International Queen 2021, and I'm Mrs. India Glamorous, and I'm really happy for that. And I guess it's a wonderful platform for all the women, because a woman should never feel, like I'm just made for house, I'm just made to feed my kids, to serve my family. Guys, come on, there is more beyond, okay? So, and there is no age for a woman to create wonders in their life, okay? We women are gorgeous, we women are glamorous, we women are passionate, and we have to do it. I really would like to thank Mrs. Ankita Saroha and the entire team of Mrs. India International Queen for creating such a wonderful platform to showcase our talent for us. Thank you so much, everyone.
Kapoor from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I took part in Mrs. India International Queen 2021, and I was finalist, and I got the title of Odysseus. Thank you so much for Mrs. India International Queen 2020.
हेलो, मेरा नाम सुप्रिया है. मैं वेस्ट बंगाल अंडाल से आई हूँ. मुझे मिसेस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्वीन में GS का सबटाइटल मिला है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए.
Hi everyone, my name is Arpita Basudhar. I am from Gurugram, and I have been crowned as Mrs. India International Queen, Mrs. Exquisite, and I'm so proud of myself also, and it was amazing journey of my life, one of the most wonderful experience, and thank you everyone, and thank you Mrs. India International Queen team for giving us such a wonderful experience and platform to us.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं दुलाली हूँ. मैं मिसेस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्वीन अवार्ड खिताब जीता हूँ. यहाँ आके बहुत 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 अच्छा लगा. बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने. थैंक यू सो मच.
I'm Kavita here. I'm from Bengaluru. I'm participating in Mrs. India International Queen 2021, and I'm titled as Mrs. India Dazzling. The show was really good, and the choreographers were there. They had given us very good practice, and we really rocked the show. Thanks to Mrs. Ankita Saroha for providing us this.
Hello everyone, I'm Jaspreet Kaur from IIT Kanpur, and I won the title of Mrs. India International Queen, Mrs. Intelligent. And it was a fabulous experience to be in this contest, and I would like to thank all my fellow contestants and Ma'am Ankita Saroha for giving us this fabulous opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Namamita Sil from West Bengal, Kolkata. I'm the participant of Mrs. India International Queen 2021. I have won the title of Mrs. Compassionate. I'm very much grateful to the total team of Mrs. India International Queen, and special thanks to Ankita ma'am to give me the opportunity to share my thoughts with all the beautiful queens.
I'm Vanshika Jain from Ludhiana. I'm the contestant for Mrs. India International Queen 2021, and I have been titled as Mrs. Chivalrous. I'm really thankful to Ankita ma'am and the complete team for giving me an opportunity to express my views and learn from others. It was a great platform performing here, and coming in top 10 was a great feeling for me. And I'm really thankful to all the beautiful ladies, which made me learn a number of things and gaining a huge experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Agrita Shah. I am from Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and मुझे Mrs. India International Queen रैबिशिन का टाइटल मिला है और बहुत प्यारी जर्नी रही है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली है। टुडे तो आई एम सो हैप्पी कि मैं टॉप 10 में रही एंड थैंक यू सो मच अंकिता मैम, आपकी वजह से आज सीरियसली इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला, तो वर्ड्स नहीं है आपको थैंक्स बोलने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Moushumi Kaur Maiti. I am from West Bengal and I feel privileged and honored to have shared this platform, that is Mrs. India International Queen, all for 4 days and finally getting the honor of Mrs. Inspirational India. And thanks to Mrs. Ankita Sarwa and her team to have inspired me to share this platform or to participate as a pageant. Thank you.
Hi, this is Neelima from Hyderabad and I'm one of the finalists in Mrs. India International 2021. I'm so happy to be part of it. It's been my dream to be here as one of the beauty queens and it got fulfilled. The show was very nice and it happened for 3 days, training for the catwalk and the catwalk sessions and few of the interesting sessions which help us, like CPR session, and self-defense sessions. They were very good. I'm so thankful to the entire team and the experience was very good.
I'm Darshna. I'm from Gujarat and I'm one of the finalists of Mrs. India International Queen 2021 and I'm the winner of Mrs. India Tennessees. And I would like to thank Mrs. India International Queen 2021 and Mrs. Ankita Saroha to giving me this great opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, I am Suvarna Priya. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am the finalist of Mrs. India International Queen 2021. This is a great opportunity for all the married people. This is the platform where you can able to show your confidence and how you have to be show your showcase your talent. It is very grateful for giving the opportunity for the Mrs. Ankita Saroha. So I am the Mrs. India amicable. Thank you.
My name is Indushri Haridas. I'm a pranic healer and a craft entrepreneur. I've come here for Mrs. India to create an identity for myself and to become a brand of my own. And I had a really good experience bonding with everyone. The entire team of MIIQ was really kind and nice. Overall, I had a nice experience. And the bonding that I had with all of the participants was really nice. And my talent show was really it really went well, and I got Shining Star award for that. So I'm really happy for that.
Hello, I'm Pravesh Rawat. By profession, I am teacher, and here I came to fulfill my dreams. I got the title of Mrs. Renaissance, and this is huge platform which is fulfilling the dreams of all.
Hello, my name is Dr. Meja Anjali Rani. I am one of the finalists in the top 10. My title is Mrs. Sensational and I enjoyed this event very much because being doctor we are always in the OT and the OPD, but coming to this glamorous world and experience is very nice. My aim of coming is so that I have to make awareness how to decrease maternal deaths and complications so that every child can get unconditional and pure love of the mother. So by this platform in the national and international we can reduce maternal death, so these mothers can give this pure love to all. Thank you so much.
हेलो, मेरा नाम रोमा कौसर खान है, मैं मुंबई से हूँ। मुझे मिसेज़ गॉर्जियस का खिताब मिला है और मुझे यहाँ के बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू।
Hello everybody, my name is Madhuri Bist from Mrs. India International Queen 2021. I won the title Mrs. Dynamic and I'm very excited and happy to be here, and I'm very thankful to Mrs. Ankita Saroha for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Deepthi Gupta from Hyderabad. I'm working as Head of Sales and Operations in Teletext, and I'm proud to be qualified as one of the top 12 finalists and glad to be titled as Mrs. India Be Willing. And thank you so much for the platform, Mrs. India International Queen, and I really love the motto, be strong, be confident, be you. And I would like to thank Mrs. Ankita Saroha for giving me this amazing platform. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Gitanshu Bansal. By profession, I'm a chartered accountant and it's my privilege to participate in Mrs. India International Queen 2021 and I'm so happy that I got the title of Mrs. India Benevolent and I'm really thankful and grateful to Mrs. Ankita Saroha and the whole team of Mrs. India International Queen to providing such a beautiful and prestigious opportunity to all the participants. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Meenakshi Dhankar. I come from Faridabad and I am the Mrs. India Perfectionist. Happy to get that title. It has been a wonderful experience at Mrs. India International 2021. Some really great memories, some really great friends, and I had the fun of my life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pamela Das and I am from Calcutta, West Bengal. I would love to say one thing, that one message I have, that to love spread, love peace and keep smiling as long as you live. I won the title of Mrs. India Talented and I'm very much happy and very much proud to be here in this and getting so big platform. And I would like to thank Mrs. Ankita Saroha ma'am for giving me this opportunity and such a wonderful platform where women can be courageous and can come and have and can show their talent and voice out their opinion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pooja Arijit Basu. I am Mrs. India Vivacious and this platform has been incredible for me. It's a little girl's dream come true. Of course, a very later stage in my life, but I did it. I made some amazing friends and there's going to be a lot of nostalgia regarding this. It's going to go down the memory lane with me. Thank you so much.
My name is Jyoti Dhingan and I am the finalist of Mrs. India International Queen 2021. I am very happy that I got the tag of Mrs. India Generous. I am very happy. मैं यहाँ पर बहुत समय से आना चाहती थी और Mrs. India International एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आफ्टर मैरिज कई लेडीज़ ये सोचती हैं कि उनकी लाइफ फिनिश हो गई, तो दिस इज़ अ बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर वुमेन्स. थैंक्स टू ऑल.
Hi, I'm Aditi Vatsyayana, Mrs. India Sparkling. I'm from Delhi and I have to tell you that Mrs. India International Queen was a great experience altogether. There was so much to learn. There was so much to experience. We met new people, we made new friends and we had some experience that we would cherish for life.
जिनके अंदर हौसले होते हैं एक दिन उनके पीछे काफिले होते हैं. नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सोनम है और मैं बाय प्रोफेशन फैशन डिज़ाइनर हूँ और यहाँ मैं अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बूस्ट करने के लिए आई थी, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस को, और मैं यहाँ पर मिसेस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल क्वीन की इंडिया एडमायरिंग 2021 बनी हूँ. एंड थैंक यू अंकिता मैम और उनकी टीम को जिन्होंने मुझे इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जो हमारे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस को काफ़ी बूस्ट करेगा आगे भी. जैसे कि जो भी महिलाएं लेडीज़ हैं जो घर पे रहती है, उनको सोचती है कि सिर्फ घर ही संभाल सकती है, घर एंड बच्चे, तो उनके लिए काफ़ी इनकरेजिंग है ये कॉन्टेस्ट.